Ciao, Abuti. Say hello to the children.
Sanibona bantwana.
Today, we're learning about colors. Are you ready, kids?
Yeah!
What is the word for blue in isiZulu?
Sibakabaka.
Very good. Sibakabaka. And what is the word for red in isiZulu?
Bomvu.
That's right, bomvu. And what is the word for yellow?
Phuzi.
That's right, phuzi. Now what is the word for green?
Luhlaza.
Very good, luhlaza. And pink in isiZulu?
Pinky.
That's the easy one, pinky. And what is orange in isiZulu?
Olinchi.
Very good, ulinchi. And now you know the colors in isiZulu. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.
Salali kahle.